How's it going? I'm
Jay from
Electronics. And if you have a
Jay from Reapers.
PlayStation 5 with a broken HDMI port, or
Look at my fun shirt. Let me come.
a PlayStation 5 controller with stick drift, and you want Hall Effect sticks installed,
Better than the factory.
look at this HDMI port install. It's better than the factory, okay?
Better than the factory.
And look at these Hall Effect sticks that were installed. Better than the factory, okay? Look at our artwork.
Better than the factory.
My wife made this. I mean, look at our reviews. Come on.
Come on.
Choose Reapers for your repairs.